Hello and welcome to our channel. We are once again back with another video because another day, another entry in our hashtag food series. And as you guys can see from the title, today we are going to feature Pawa Bites. I really love the packaging. I like that it's simple yet it's very straightforward, and also they are offering delicious bite-sized homemade oatmeal chocolate ball snacks, and it's so perfect as a guilt-free dessert option for those who are on a diet. So now I can't wait for us to see and take a closer look of their products. So now let's go ahead and unbox it. I super love that it's a healthy snack, and at the same time you are indulging your sweet tooth. And you guys should definitely check out their Pawa holiday box because it's only available for a limited time in slots only this holiday season. Of course, we all know the benefits of eating oats, right? They are incredibly nutritious. It is so rich in antioxidants. It can lower down your cholesterol levels, and it can contain a powerful soluble fiber. And of course, the most important of them all is that it can improve your blood sugar control. So now let's go ahead and check their available flavors and their prices. Should you have any inquiries, you already know the drill. You may check their social media accounts. They're both on Facebook and Instagram. Just search for Pawa Bites.